Ready?
Right.
Nice!
Ay, ay, ay.
Well, you know, we live in Austin. This looks a lot like a UT football game.
Michael, a radio DJ at the college, bought the house back in 1981 for $51,000. He and Linda got divorced a while back, but decided to keep the home their daughter Leah grew up in. And now that Leah's in college, it's time to move on.
All right, does this room say welcome home to you?
It says it to me.
What is this blue?
They couldn't decide on a color?
I mean, I guess if you put a coat of paint on, but it is
That would not,
really...
Diane, that would not do it.
So when you became his wife, did you come in here and sort of decorate this entire place?
Oh my God, yes. Because it was so very white, neutral. He didn't want any colors or anything. Remember that, Michael?
So you're not living here anymore?
Oh no, he hasn't lived here in 10 years.
Oh, okay.
Right. Yeah,
But you're
so-
still friends?
Yeah.
Yeah, more or less.
Yeah, kind of. Okay, so this room is pretty obvious, right? It's a computer room, but it should be a dining room, right? Okay, let's check out your kitchen. Who did the faux painting on the wall? Check it out.
That was therapy for me. I did some sponge painting because I was practicing to do a little project with kids. So we did redo this kitchen 24 years ago.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess if you painted it and you had cute dishes,
I just don't
maybe
even think
you
so.
could
I
make
just think you can find something you like a lot better, Diane.
This room looks like a completely different room than the rest of your house.
See, I built this room because I'm a DJ and I needed a place to put all my CDs and things.
Wow, this paint job is something.
Yes.
Yeah, I do not like the color scheme at all.
I don't either.
We have a lot of teaching to do when it comes to staging with this family.
Tanya's tip, using a single bold color throughout your house is a great way to create unity and to tie it all together.
Linda, you're really a terrible painter.
I know. I'm sorry.
No wonder these colors turned out so bad.
One room, yes, but every room has got an orange. I would hate it.
It's going to take some time fixing your lousy paint. Oh, don't hit me.
I'm so
I didn't do anything.
This front room is a part of the original house, and it's pretty small. Open house guests weren't that crazy about Linda's design theme in here either. Our goal was to make the room appear larger and more inviting, especially since it's the first one people walk into. We accomplished this by painting it a color called Mango Surprise, which really warmed it up and helped highlight the beautiful hardwood floors as well. We used Linda's existing furniture and purchased some lamps, flowers, and window treatments to finish this room off for $167.
Wow.
This looks completely different.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
I love these colors.
Wow.
I'm so glad that you let me come back.
The kitchen hadn't been updated in 24 years, and it sure looked like it. We painted over Linda's faux fiasco and spruced up the cabinets with a fresh coat of white paint. Adding some decorative dishware and some well-placed accessories brought this kitchen and dining room into the 21st century for $250.
This is so cute. Just
love
with
the colors.
everything cleaned up, and it's
Something-
fun and happy.
It looks more open.
Amazing.
The family room was an addition to the original house, and even though it's quite large, the paint and decor in here prevented prospective buyers from seeing its potential. To get rid of that add-on feel, we painted the room a slightly darker shade than the paint we used in the rest of the house. Now it feels like it was here all along. This amazing transformation only cost $268.
Oh my goodness.
This is unbelievable, really.
It totally opens up the room.
It sure does. And with that white trim, it just makes it all crisp. I'm kind of thinking you should do it.
Really?
Think about it. Think about it. It's neat.
I think we've proven once again what a little color and imagination can do to improve your home's appearance. And it only costs $685.